This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Amy Zajic. Panoramic water views form this spectacular lot in the beachfront neighborhood of Gulf Shores on Sanibel Island. This is your opportunity to rebuild and take advantage of this prime location. The 3/2 home with an additional structure is on a quiet cul-de-sac and backs up to the Sanibel River and is a bird's eye view from the Gulf of Mexico. You can even hear the surf from the house. You are just steps from your neighborhood's private deeded beach access. No crossing any main roads to enjoy the waves, sand and shells. One of the widest and most beautiful sections of beach on Sanibel, and it only a short stroll from your driveway. The home has been professionally mitigated and is ready for you to make your own. For more information, review the details below or contact Amy Zajic at 703-966-8835.